This video is made possible by Envato Elements. Hey everyone, in this step-by-step After Effects tutorial, I will show you how to make wedding text animation. We are not going to make just one or two, we will learn 5 wedding text animation techniques without using any complicated method or expressions. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so there is no need for some specific knowledge of After Effects. If you are new to this channel, please like this video and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification so you don't miss any videos. Alright, let's roll the intro. I'm using Adobe After Effects to make this tutorial. You can get After Effects by clicking the link in the description. Use my link for a 7-day trial. Alright, open After Effects and create a new composition. This is the text which I'm going to animate. Please note, you can download this font from the link in the description. Now open this text layer and click on Animate. You will find a bunch of options here. Simply click on the blur and then change the blur value to 50. Then open range selector and make sure you are at the first frame. Then change the offset value to -100. Click here to add keyframe. Then go to the 2-second position and change the offset value to 100%. If you check the animation, this is how it looks now. Not bad. Now open advanced and in the shape, choose shape to ramp up. Now change the ease high value to 50% as well as the ease low value to 50%, and it will make this animation much smoother. And this is how it looks now. Perfect. Now click on this add button. Don't get confused between animate and add. We are going to click on the add. So click on it, go to the property. Now choose opacity. Simply change the opacity value to 0% and this is how it looks now. Perfect. Again click on add, go to the property and this time choose position. You can use any position you want. Let me change the Y position value to 150. And it will make this smooth animation. Let's make second text animation. This is the exact copy of my first text layer. There is no animation applied to this text layer as you can see. Let's add one. Simply open this text layer, then click on animate. Here you will find multiple options. Simply choose scale. Now again click on this add, go to the property and this time choose enable per character 3D. Again click on the add and this time I'm going to use the position. Great. Let's change the scale value to 0%. Also, I'm changing the Z position value to 250. Now open range selector and then in the offset, simply add keyframe on it. Then change the offset value to -100%. Then go to the 2-second position and change the offset value to 100%. Check the animation and this is how it looks now. Don't worry, we will fix it. Simply open this advanced. In the shape, simply change the shape to ramp up and it will fix the issue. Right now, this is the animation which is looking slower. So let me adjust some ease high and ease low value. And this is how it looks now. In the position, I'm changing the Z position value to 0. Also, I'm changing the Y position value to 200. And this is a different look, not bad. You can also play with the settings X and Y to get some different look. This is definitely your choice. Let's change the ease high value to 50% and ease low value to 50% as well. Perfect. Let's add one more property. So go to the add, click on the property and choose tracking. Now change the tracking value to a higher number. Let's go with the 200 and it will have this kind of look. You can actually go with the lower value, something like -100, -100. And now it has a different look. Let's change the value to -100 and also I'm changing the Y position value to 150 or 170 and it will get this kind of look. Perfect. Let's make the third animation. Again, this is the same composition. We have this text and there is no animation. Now we are going to make some different kind of look. This is very easy. Simply select your text layer, then go to the effects and the preset and choose linear vibe. In the transition, you will find this linear vibe. Simply apply it onto the text layer and change the transition completion value to 50%. Now change the wipe angle value so that it will match with the angle of the text. Something like this. Now if you play with the transition completion value, you can see we have this kind of write-on effect. Now this is not the perfect write-on effect. For creating a write-on effect, we have to actually trace the text layer and add some mask on it. Don't worry, we are not going to focus on that method in this tutorial. We will actually make separate video on it. Now my wipe angle value is 300. We are not going to use the 0% value and 100% value because this linear wipe is actually calculating the width of this frame, so the animation will not look as we need. So instead I'm using this 32%. Make sure you are at the 2-second position and then add keyframe on this transition completion. Then go to the first frame position and change the transition completion value to around, in my case it will be 64 or 70%. Now press U to reveal all keyframes. Select both keyframes, right click on it, go to the keyframe assistant and select Easy Ease. And this is how it looks now. Open graph editor and change the curves to something like this. This is optional. Switch back to the main timeline and place this second keyframe on 4-second duration and it will make the animation slower. Perfect. Let's make the next text animation. Now this is my same composition. We don't have any animation applied to this text layer. Now select your text layer, go to the effects and the preset and search for the CC burn film. Now change the burn value to around 88. Add keyframe on it. Go to the 2-second position and change the burn value to 0. Now you can also play with the center. Check the animation and this is how it looks now. Not bad. Now this is very basic animation which you can use in the paragraph text animation. People actually use it in making the wedding text animation. Now press U to reveal all keyframes. Select both keyframes and press F9 to Easy Ease. Then open graph editor and change the curves to something like this. This is the basic text animation. Let's place this keyframe on the 3-second and this is how it looks now. Now one thing with this text animation, in the starting the text actually went black because this is a burn effect, so it will add this kind of burn look. You can fix it very easily simply by changing the blend mode to the screen. Now I am creating a new solid layer and changing the color to the purple. Make sure your background is placed right below the text animation layer and now you can see the text is looking fine. If I am changing the blend mode to the normal, this was the black. After changing the blend mode to the screen, it fixed this issue. Let's make last text animation. Now this is my same composition. We don't have any animation applied to this text layer. Now open this text layer, then click on the animate and this time choose enable per character 3D. Again go to the animate and choose anchor point. Now change the Y anchor point value to 130. Then open range selector and change the offset value to -100. Make sure you are at the first frame, then add keyframe on it. Then go to the 2-second position and change the offset value to 100%. Open advanced and change the shape to ramp up. And this is how it looks now, nothing special. Let's change the ease high value to 50% and ease low value to 50% as well. Then again go to the add, go to the property and choose scale. Change the scale value to 0%. And this is how it looks now, not bad. Again go to the add, then property. This time choose rotation. I'm changing the Y rotation value to 90 degree and it will add this kind of look, not bad. Let's change the anchor point value to 0 and I think I'm going with this one, not bad. Of course, you can play with the settings to get some different kind of look. This is the way which you can use to create multiple text animation without using any third-party plugins. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Till then, good luck and peace. Design better project faster with Envato Elements. Unlimited download After Effects templates, logo intro music, background music, sound effects, and more. Visit the first link in the description and start downloading today. Deliver better video faster with Envato Elements.